Samsung has just confirmed a massive free Galaxy AI upgrade, and it's arriving sooner than anyone expected. The rollout of One UI 8, Samsung's version of Android 16, is already in progress, but the upcoming One UI 8.5 update could be the real game changer. According to new reports from ET News, One UI 8.5 will bring at least 4 brand new Galaxy AI features, the biggest AI expansion Samsung has introduced in more than a year. The first major addition is Meeting Assistant. This feature is designed to make language barriers a thing of the past. During a meeting, class, or live event, it can listen to what's being said, transcribe the speech in real time, and instantly translate it into the language of your choice, all right on your screen. Whether it's a business conference or an online lecture, this feature ensures that nothing gets lost in translation. It's like having a personal interpreter who never misses a word. Next up is Touch Assistant, which focuses on convenience and accessibility. With this tool, any text displayed on the screen becomes interactive. Users can highlight content to get quick actions such as translation, explanation, or a simplified summary. It can turn a long, complex article into a short, easy-to-understand version within seconds. This makes it ideal for students, professionals, and anyone who frequently reads or researches across different languages. Another feature that stands out is Smart Clipboard. Copying and pasting will never feel the same again. Smart Clipboard goes beyond the usual clipboard by using AI to recognize what's been copied and suggest helpful actions. For example, if a paragraph is copied, it may suggest summarizing it, translating it, or saving it for later. It's a simple change that could dramatically boost productivity, especially for multitaskers who handle large amounts of text every day. The fourth feature, Social Composer, is designed for those who love creating content but often struggle with writing captions or descriptions. This AI tool automatically analyzes uploaded photos or videos, identifies objects, locations, and even people, and then generates catchy captions, hashtags, or descriptions. Whether posting on Instagram, TikTok, or any other platform, Social Composer helps users craft creative posts effortlessly, saving both time and effort. Together, these 4 AI features represent a big step forward for Samsung's Galaxy AI. The most exciting part is that Samsung is offering them free for now. However, it's not yet confirmed if all of them will be included in the final version of One UI 8.5. If they are, this update could easily become Samsung's most advanced AI rollout ever, bringing it closer to competing directly with Google's Gemini-powered Pixel devices. For now, Samsung plans to keep these tools free, but that could change later depending on how users respond. Beyond the AI features, One UI 8.5 itself is shaping up to be a powerful upgrade. It's built on Android 16 QPR2, Google's quarterly platform release that typically delivers new features, system improvements, and visual refinements for Pixel phones. Samsung's version will incorporate all of that, plus several unique enhancements to its interface and performance. Recent leaks have confirmed that One UI 8.5 test builds are already being developed, featuring SK version 36.1 and build ID prefix BP4A, both of which link directly to Android 16 QPR2. This confirms that Samsung is not just polishing its interface, but aligning deeply with Google's newest system updates. According to Android Authority, this version could provide a next-level user experience, with improved animations, smoother transitions, and smarter controls across Galaxy devices. It's important to note that most Android brands usually skip these QPR releases because they require far more development time and testing, sometimes up to 4 times more than a normal update. Instead, they prefer waiting for the next big Android version. Samsung's decision to release One UI 8.5 based on Android 16 QPR2 shows its growing commitment to keeping Galaxy users on par with Google's Pixel feature drops. However, not every Galaxy phone will get this update. Samsung's update policy means some older devices will be left out of the rollout. One UI 8.5 will succeed One UI 8 and is expected to launch pre-installed with the upcoming Galaxy S26 series in early 2026. The company hasn't confirmed the full list of eligible models yet, but the rollout will likely follow Samsung's usual pattern, starting with the flagship models before expanding to newer mid-range devices. With One UI 8.5, Samsung is setting a new benchmark for AI integration in smartphones. From real-time translations to intelligent text tools and automated social captions, this update is designed to make everyday use simpler, smarter, and faster. If all these features make it into the final version, One UI 8.5 could easily become one of Samsung's most impressive software upgrades yet, and a major leap forward in the world of Galaxy AI.